Hi, I'm Tom. I'm an engineering science professor at the University of Oxford, where I work on heat transfer research. I'm also a mountaineer, and on a mountaineering trip, I came up with a design for a more efficient pan. It takes an incredibly long time to boil water at high altitude, but by adding fins to the pan, it makes it more efficient, so the water boils faster. I met Raghav in Oxford, who was studying for an MBA at the time. You can tell he's an MBA student because of his Swiss banker glasses and pocket handkerchief. In 2021, we got together to launch FIREUP.
FIREUP is the company behind the first real innovation in cast iron cookware for nearly a century. In 2021, we launched our very first product on Kickstarter, the FIREUP Dutch oven. Our Dutch ovens made their way across 1,600 kitchens in 36 countries. And now we're back, having developed our patented fin technology into yet another kitchen classic, the FIREUP Cast Iron Skillet.
Have you ever thought the pocket handkerchief is too much?
One pan that can do it all. The surface is smooth, naturally non-stick, and is designed to last a lifetime. You can use it to sear, saute, fry, and even roast or bake in it. It's compatible with induction, gas, ceramic, and goes in your ovens. Whether you're making a simple breakfast or a gourmet dinner, our skillet has you covered. We wanted to get every detail just right, so we spent months perfecting the shape, the weight, and even the design of the handles. We spoke with professional chefs, we spoke with home chefs, and most importantly, our FIREUP community. The pan is light enough to easily hold one handle, and your existing Dutch oven lids are compatible with it. The most exciting thing is that it's designed by a rocket scientist. Tom, tell them about the science.
I'm not sure anybody cares about the science. I think they're going to buy it because it looks like a rocket ship.
As I was saying, our FIREUP pans have 30 carefully designed fins that significantly increase heat flow into the pan wall. This means faster and more even cooking, which in turn produces better food results. Our new 10-inch FIREUP skillet is coated with high-quality, chip-resistant enamel that does not require seasoning. With your help, we will build the tooling for the very first production run. Your pans will be made from 100% recycled iron in Holland and shipped with zero plastic packaging. This is a beautiful pan that will last you a lifetime. Help us get the skillet from the factory into your kitchens.
Great pitch, I'd buy it.
Well, you did design it.
Would you buy a pan from a man with a bow tie?
Why are you asking?
Well, that would make him a bad magician, wouldn't it? Would you buy a pan from a man with a pocket handkerchief?